Hi, the next thing I'm working on is taking like half a century to make, so while I'm waiting, I have nothing to do besides work on the project. Anyways, it's been a month, and I'm sure the lives of my 8 subscribers have just been completely shattered because of this upload schedule. So we should all just agree that the best thing to do right now is to make another Tesla coil video. I mean, what better thing is there to do than to make another one of these videos? Work on my project? No, because electricity is fun. And I just realized I still don't have a profile picture. Okay, should probably get to the point now. So my friend sent me a song that he thought would sound good on a Tesla coil, and I agree. The song is Apex by Creo. You should probably check out Creo. They're a great music artist. It's a rather old song. I think it's released in 2014, but music is music. So I'm gonna be playing more wonderful music on Tesla coil, but no, we're not gonna use this Tesla coil. This is for casuals. We're gonna be using this one. It's basically the same thing as the other Tesla coil, but just slightly scaled up. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into a comprehensive step-by-step guide in how to make your Tesla coil play music. This version is working 2021. Step 1. Acquire a Tesla coil. Step 2. Build the thing. Step 3. Connect it to a power cable. Step 4. Plug it into an MP3 player or something. Step 5. Press play, and there you go. If you have any more steps to add to this comprehensive guide, please tell me. Better in pitch darkness than okay. Okay, here are some of the attempts that led up to the first time it actually decided to work. 3, 2, 1. Try 2. Okay. Oh. Yeah, it was the music. Okay, so now it has something to play. I don't think the camera can see it. Here. Okay, just a quick overview on what it is. It's basically just like the other one, but it's just larger. You got the heatsink. On this one, it's just on here, but here it just takes up like the entire base of the Tesla coil. You have the coils, which is also just scaled up a ton from the previous one. You got the LED again, which like this one serves absolutely no purpose at all. And also the spark, instead of on like a copper wire, it's not on the copper nail. I think it's copper, some other metal. Cool thing is there's a fan at the bottom, so it can spin around and just cool down the heatsink to just make it slightly more cooler. Through building this thing, there were a few minor setbacks. One very small one was just that there was no instruction manual at all. I mean, I guess there were markings on the circuit board to tell me where to put stuff, but we don't talk about that. Another thing is when it gets really close to electronics, it starts to glitch them out. And unfortunately, I learned this the hard way. That was fun. I really would like to test it out and record it, but I don't really want to risk any actual electronic devices, so... Also, what I meant by glitching it out, it would like press random buttons, it would slow down some apps, it would crash others. Yeah. So unlike the smaller Tesla coil, this one has a larger electric field. So this one can also make light bulbs light up, but it can make it light up further away, and can also make them light up brighter if they're closer to it. Also, if you haven't noticed yet, this Tesla coil has a more visible 2 sparks compared to the other one, which you can only barely see 1. On the topic of noticing things, did you notice that there were 2 2s? Probably. Hey, this time I can actually touch it without it burning half my skin.